How will all of these overnight cues impact our own Indian markets? We now have our research team joining in with how the trade setup looks like and the stocks that are likely to be in the news. First up, we have Vivek joining in to get us all the market cues we need to watch out for today. Good morning, Vivek. Yesterday was a listless session. What does today hold out?
That's right. Good morning. Largely, looking at the overnight queue, especially as far as US markets are concerned, largely positive, largely flat, no negative news flow coming in, and that helped the markets move higher. Tesla too moved higher in yesterday's trading session. Oil markets or oil prices yesterday ended marginally lower, largely flattish, but ended with a negative bias is how you could mainly describe how the oil market movement was seen. As far as the Indian markets yesterday is concerned, like I mentioned, largely listless, but the Nifty continued to manage to scale higher and moved higher for the fifth straight trading session. Yesterday, the important story to watch was the fact that the Nifty banking index from record highs did see a bit of profit booking come about. What moved or what dragged the Nifty bank lower was mainly the mid-cap banking pack, and the mid-cap banking pack, remember, has seen a stellar rally yesterday. They saw about a profit booking, especially in names like RBL Bank. The other set of stocks that did very well in the session was the Nifty IT pack, and within that, the mid-cap IT space, especially names like Coforge, did very well in the trading session yesterday. GIFT Nifty, Asian markets, all of them indicating a positive start for our markets today.
Looking like a flat to positive start. The implied open was suggesting a 24-point uptake. It's now down to 10 points. So keep an eye out on how do we start off in today's session, whether we do gain for the sixth day in a row. Vivek, thanks a lot for that. Over to Upasana now. We'll list out the stocks that you need to keep an eye out for today. Upasana, good morning. What's on your list?
Good morning. First up, let me start with Wipro. The company extends its partnership with Metro AG for an additional 2 years. Next is Vodafone Idea. VI launches 5G services in Bengaluru. And mind you that the company rolls out 5G services in all 17 priority circles by August 2025. Next up is alcohol stocks such as Radico Khaitan and United Spirits. These will be in focus as Maharashtra government hikes excise duty on IMFL by 50 to 60% according to the reports. Credit Access Grameen is the next one as the company secures $100 million multi-currency syndicated social loan facility. Next is Texmaco Rail and Engineering. The company gets an order from Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation of nearly about 44 crores. Hence, this will be in focus. Next is Keynes Technology. Company's arm, that is Keynes Semicon, signs asset purchase agreement with Japan's Fujitsu General Electronics for nearly about 1.59 billion yen. Next is Maruti Suzuki. According to sources to CNBC TV18, the commercial launch of e-Vitara in India is likely to be delayed. And lastly, coming to AB Capital, according to sources, Advent International is likely to sell 1.4% stake via block deal. And the total block size is around 856 crores and the floor price is around 237 per share. So all in all, we'll be looking out for all these stocks in focus today.
Well, thank you so much for that, Upasana. And finally, we now have Sudarshan joining in with cues from the F&O space. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mamangshi. So it was a range-bound day of trade as expected. At the end, good part was Nifty held on to levels for 25,100, while minor profit booking was seen in the banking space. For today, also GIFT Nifty is indicating a flat start. On the flows front, the data is not looking that bad. In the cash market, we saw both FIs and DIs buying. FIs bought more than rupees 2,300 crore. DIs also have bought more than rupees 1,100 crore. Even in the index futures too, FIs have bought more than rupees 560 crore. Also, they have reduced long position, but the reduction is very less. It's just 130. But at the same time, they have reduced short positions of almost 3,000 contracts. And FI's long exposure remains around 20%. On the option front, action remains above 25,000 levels. 25,200 call has seen addition of 32 lakh shares. Similar addition was seen for 25,150. On the put side, 25,100 put also has seen addition of nearly 19 lakh shares, and 25,050 put has seen addition of more than 11 lakh shares. Support for Nifty remains around 24,830, that is 20-day moving average, and resistance remains around 25,230, that is the recent high. Two stocks have entered the band. First one is IREDA and second one RBL. Apart from these two, Titagar, AB Fashion, Chamal Fertilizer and Hindustan Copper remain in the band.
6 stocks in the F&O band today, including names like IREDA. Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that. Take a short